Today we are going to see how to change speakers on Tata Safari. This is a car specific video because I think it's the most easiest car to work upon if you have to change your speakers. First step, you need something to ply. Means something, literally anything can work, even a pen. Put it inside, pull it a little back. It has 3 clips. Your speaker is accessible. Now you need a screwdriver. It has 3 screws. Second one is up here. And third one is here, a little above. Now your speaker is out of your housing. Pull the terminals. You can now change the speaker. This is a genuine speaker that came with the car. Signing off. Thank you.